Good morning everyone. Today we will be going to read about what are the types of cement. Okay. I have told you in the previous slide, I have told you what are the types of cement. First is ordinary Portland cement, that is OPC, and rapid hardening cement, extra rapid hardening cement, quick setting cement, low heat cement, pozzolana Portland cement, blast furnace cement, colored cement. Okay. Nowadays we are using that is pozzolana Portland cement. Okay. In the previous years we are using ordinary Portland cement, we are using that. Okay, you can see here the diagram. I have been showing you that this type of cement, these are the colored cement and these are the cement we are using. Okay, in our staircase or while we are making tiles. Okay, so in ordinary Portland cement, as I have told you in the previous slide, it is one of the important type cement and it is most commonly used cement. Less heat of hydration but does not cause any defect. Less heat of hydration, I have told you, while water is added to any cement. Okay, to the ordinary Portland cement, while water is added, the less heat of hydration is produced. Next is it is mainly used in pavements and buildings, and next is it hardens in 3 days. Okay, and we can say the normal setting time, initial setting time is 30 minutes and final setting time is 8 hours. Okay, so we can say that in initial setting time means what? While we are doing a cement paste or while we are keeping it in a cement paste with a brick or any type of a substances, it takes 30 minutes to make it hard. Okay, after that it takes purely hard, it takes 8 hours to take to final to set or to hard itself or harden in cement paste. Okay, so we can say that the initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement is 30 minutes and final setting time of this cement is 8 hours. Okay, next we'll be reading about rapid hardening cement. As we know, in rapid hardening cement it hardens in 1 day. Okay, it is lightweight, it is not damaged easily. Okay, it is mainly used in highways, underwater structures and in cold weather areas this cement is used. Okay, so we can say that in this cement, in the rapid hardening cement, the initial and final setting time is same. Okay, as that of the ordinary Portland cement. We can say that the initial setting time of rapid hardening cement is also 30 minutes and final setting time of rapid hardening cement is also 8 hours. Okay, so as it hardens in 1 day or it hardens easily, so we can say that it's the construction work it carried out is doing it speedily. Okay, as it sets hardly or it sets rapidly, the construction work carried out is also speedily. Okay, and in this cement, in the rapid hardening cement, it mainly contains the high percentage of tricalcium sulfate, that is we can say C3S. Okay, it contains, in this type of cement, it contains high percentage of tricalcium sulfate, that is C3S. Okay, and it is lightweight, and this cement is not damaged easily. Okay, and next is extra rapid hardening cement. We have read about rapid hardening cement. Next we will be reading about rapid hardening cement. Okay, extra rapid hardening cement accelerates the setting and hardening processes. Okay, extra rapid hardening cement is obtained by integrating calcium chloride with rapid hardening Portland cement. Addition of calcium chloride should not exceed 2% by weight of rapid hardening cement. Concrete made using extra rapid hardening cement should be used, compacted and finished within 20 minutes. Okay, so in extra rapid hardening cement, it accelerates the setting and hardening process. It easily sets and hards, okay, this cement. And in this cement is obtained by integrating calcium chloride with rapid hardening Portland cement. Okay, in this cement, some amount of calcium chloride is added to rapid hardening cement. Okay, and extra rapid hardening cement is obtained. Okay, so we can say that extra rapid hardening cement is mainly obtained by adding some amount of calcium chloride with rapid hardening Portland cement. Okay, next is addition of calcium chloride should not exceed 2% by weight of rapid hardening cement. Okay, we can say that while adding the calcium chloride, it should not exceed 2% of calcium chloride. Okay, and it should be added with rapid hardening cement. Okay, next is concrete made using extra rapid hardening cement should be used, compacted and finished within 20 minutes. Okay, and in hardening cement, while the concrete is made used, it should be used, compacted and it is finished within 20 minutes. Okay, in between 20 minutes we have to use it, compact it and finish, okay, within 20 minutes. So next is quick setting cement. This cement is produced by adding aluminum sulfate and by finely grinding the cement. Okay, in the extra rapid cement we have been using the chemical compound, that is, we know calcium chloride. We have been added the ingredients that we have been added calcium chloride with rapid hardening cement. If we add this, then extra rapid hardening cement is formed. So in this cement, quick setting cement, this cement is mainly produced by adding alumina sulfate, okay, and by finely grinding the cement. Okay, so it is one type of a cement where the initially is set in 5 minutes and the final set it is achieved in 30 minutes, which is used in special conditions of construction like in running water. Okay, we can say that in quick setting cement it easily set in 5 minutes. Okay, and it purely set in 30 minutes. It is all set. Okay, so and it is used in the special conditions, we can say in the groundwater structures or in running waters. This quick setting cement is also used. Okay, so we can say that it is also used. What are the uses of quick setting cement? I have been written the next slide. We'll be going to that. Okay, so here you can see what are the uses of quick setting cement. It is used in underwater constructions. It is also used in rainy and cold weather conditions where quick strength is needed in a short span of time. And it is used at a high temperature where water evaporates easily. It is used for anchoring or rock bolt mining and tunneling. It is used for the fixed concrete steps. It is used for the anchorage of rock bolt in tunnel and all the works underground. Quick setting cement is produced. Okay, so we can say that you can see here the diagram I have shown you in the underground concreting using quick setting cement. While you are using the cement, this quick setting cement, while you are using it, it sets quickly, as we know that. So it is used in the underwater concreting structures. Also, you can see here the diagram of staircase, that is. Okay, if the one edges have been broken, so we can do with the help of a quick setting cement. Okay, so we can say that also it is used in water constructions, and a short period of time or a short span of time its strength is quick and is used in rainy and cold weather conditions. Okay, it is used for fixed concrete steps. It is used at high temperature where water evaporates easily. Okay, so next we will be dealing with low heat cement. Okay, in low heat cement, it is a type of a cement which generates low heat of hydration during setting. Okay, while we are adding the low heat cement with the water, the low heat of hydration is produced. Okay, means we get a less number of heat produced. Okay, next is this cement contains low percentage, that is 5% of tricalcium aluminate, that is C3A, and higher percentage of 46% of dicalcium silicate, that is C2S. Okay, as we know, that is low heat cement. Low heat cement generally produces low heat of cement. Okay, while setting, and this low heat cement contains 5% of tricalcium aluminate, that is C3A, we can say it that, and higher percentage of, that is 46%, dicalcium sulfate, that is C2S. Okay, these are the known as low heat cement. So in the Pozlan or Portland cement, we will be dealing in the next slide. Okay. Thank you.